Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install a AirAid intake tube in my 2016 GMC Sierra. Now, just like any other video that I have, I'm going to show you what tools are required for the installation. And then I'm also going to show you from start to finish on how to properly install that. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, tools required at a minimum. You will see on the left-hand side that is a flathead and Phillips screwdriver. But to make life easier, as you will see in the video, I also had a 7/8 wrench, set of pliers, and an impact drill to expedite the process. First, you're going to loosen the clamp securing the intake system to the throttle body and the air box. Then you're going to disconnect the valve cover breathers from either side of the factory intake system. Then you're going to remove the factory intake system and set that to the side. Now, the quick connects for the valve breathers are removed by depressing the gray locking tab in the fitting and then sliding them off. Next, you're going to install both of the barb fittings into the intake tube as shown on the right hand side in those still images. Next, you're going to slide the hump hose and the two clamps onto the factory air box. Next, you're going to slide the reducer and the two clamps onto the throttle body. Next, you're going to insert the new quick connect fittings into the supplied breather hoses. Next, remove the valve cover breathers from both sides of the motor and set them aside. They will not be reused. Next, install the intake tube and tighten the clamps. Connect the new breathers to the barb fittings in the intake tube and the quick connect fittings to the valve covers. The 23.5-inch hose is to be used on the driver's side, and the 10.5-inch hose is to be used on the passenger side. The last and final step is to secure the hose ends with the supplied speed clamps. All right, there we go. Just showed you how to install this AirAid intake tube in my 2016 GMC Sierra. Now, I showed you what tools are required for the installation, and I also showed you from start to finish on how to properly install this in my truck. Now, if you liked the video, do me a big favor, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also turn those notifications so you can be the first one to get my newest content. Other than that, YouTube, that's it for now. Until next time, take it easy.